Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make oyster spaghettini. Uh, this one is my employee meal. So easy to make. I show you how to make it. So I'm using today spaghettini. So al dente, 7 minutes. I'm gonna pick up 7 minutes. Make al dente. And oyster. It's a fresh oyster from Sado Island, my favorite. And I'm gonna use tomato sauce. This one. Uh, I use half portion. Half. And garlic, hot chili pepper, anchovy paste, and this one is the decoration. I'm using always mitsuba. And olive oil, white wine. This one is a secret seasoning, nampra. It's good for the seafood pasta. Okay, start cooking. With a 3-liter boiling hot water, I'm already putting salt, 30 grams, and this spaghettini, 130 grams. Let's start boil like this. It takes about 7 minutes. So making oyster tomato sauce, chopped garlic, olive oil, anchovy paste, like this. Then high flame. So just wait 3 minutes. Mix chopped garlic, red burning, change color brown. So I'm just wait for the baking. Saute timing. Okay, chopped garlic will change color. In this timing, it's nice to make saute. Just put in the oyster. This one is white wine. That's it. Tomato puree, tomato sauce. I'm gonna make Rosso, spaghettini Rosso, oyster. Rosso means red. Spaghettini Rosso. Still high flame. Wait about 3-4 minutes. Yeah, looks yummy. try to taste a little bit. How al dente I'm gonna check. Good timing. Mix together. There. So secret seasoning, nampra. Like this. And more olive oil. Like that. So a little bit boiling together. Just to make good taste inside pasta. So always using high flame. Okay. Try to taste a little bit. Yummy. Some mitzvah on top a little bit. And hot chili pepper. Okay. Okay, let's try to eat. This is oyster spaghettini rosso. Rosso means red. Itadakimasu. Delicious. I love oyster flavor. So easy to make a tomato sauce. And tomato sauce is Rosso. And garlic and salt taste without tomato sauce with the bianco, white. This one is Rosso. So tasty. Please try it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you another time in my kitchen. Thank you.